Hello guys, this is Salableproduct.net. Today I'm bringing a new Yeezy Boost 350 V2 for you guys. The shoes are here. You can just have a guess. And this is the paper. Now let me take the shoes out. These are the shoes. It's Yeezy Boost 350 V2 with red stripe. The shoes is really nice, right? And then I will take the shoes out to show you guys more clearly. Okay. So these are the shoes. This pair of Yeezy Boost 350 V2 is really hot recently, and many customers ask for these shoes. And the material of the shoes is really good. It touches very well, and it must be very comfortable to wear on your feet. And then, first, let's have a look at the red stripe. You can see the red stripe here. It says SKYPE 350 just as the other Yeezy Boost 350 V2. And the other shoes also SKYPE 350. Great. And let's have a look at the upper of the shoes. The pattern on the upper on both sides is really nice. And the middle stitching, you can check the middle stitching here, really good. And this is the shoes time. The shoes lace. Okay, great. And then I want to show you guys the bottom of the shoes. Okay, let's have a closer look at the boost on the bottom. You can find the real boost on the bottom, always with good quality. Can you see? Okay, great. And the leather boost on this part, Adidas logo. Great. And yeah, the booster on the other shoes. Great. And then I will show you guys the back side of the shoe. Really nice, right? Nice straight, nice stitching, nice pattern. And the back side of the shoes time. Okay, great. And then I'll take the paper out so you can see the inside of the shoes clearly. Look into the shoes. You will just find the Adidas logo, Yeezy, and also a size tag. Okay, great. Really love this pair of shoes. Love the design and love the color. If you guys like these shoes, just check them on my website. Any question, please feel free to let me know. And yeah, welcome to come to my channel next time. Bye.